Sanitation is an essential concern not only for water issues, but also for basic hygiene. If we could represent the population of the world with these 7 figures, each representing about 1 billion people, the United Nations estimates that 4.5 of these individuals would have access to basic or improved sanitation. By that, I mean a flush toilet, which would remove waste through a system of pipes, or some type of latrine covered by a slab. Now, some latrines covered by slabs also then have a toilet-like seating arrangement and an enclosure around them, or it may simply be a latrine with a slab. About 4.5 billion people in the world have access to one of these kinds of sanitation facilities. As of the year 2010, it is estimated that 2.5 billion people are without such improved sanitation facilities. They do not have access to flush toilets, nor do they have access to latrines with slabs. About half of these individuals might have access to some type of latrine which would be without a slab and would not meet what we consider basic requirements for basic sanitation. And 1.1 billion people are estimated to still practice open defecation. It is amazing to many people that in the 21st century, 2.5 billion people, more than 1/3 of the world's population, are without basic sanitation. Tragically, poor sanitation spreads disease. It is estimated that 1.5 million people will die each year from diarrhea. Most are children, and most could be saved for pennies a day. 860,000 childhood deaths result from malnutrition each year, and diseases brought by dirty water and intestinal worms, which rob their hosts of valuable nutrients, contribute to these deaths of malnutrition. About half, it is estimated. More than 2 billion people in the world have intestinal worms of various classes. Unclean water is also a factor in a number of other diseases, and stagnant water, often that associated with poor sanitation, can cause many insect hosts to breed, including the mosquitoes which carry malaria. As a result, an enormous disease burden results from the poor sanitation which 2.5 billion people experience.